Hello everyone, and welcome to AK Digital Docs. Today, we are going to talk about Introduction to Cybersecurity. In today's digital world, we use computers, smartphones, the internet, and digital services every day. That is why protecting our information and digital systems from cyber threats has become very important. In this presentation, we will learn the basics of cyber. Why does cybersecurity matter today? We use digital technology for communication, education, banking, business, and entertainment. Because of this, our personal information and online accounts can become targets for cyber criminals. Cyber threats are constantly changing, and attacks can happen at any time. That is why cybersecurity awareness is important for everyone. Now, let's look at 3 major cybersecurity threats. The first one is malware. Malware is malicious software designed to steal data, disrupt systems, or damage networks. The second threat is phishing. Phishing uses fake emails or messages to trick people into sharing passwords, banking information, or other private data. The third threat is ransomware. Let's take a closer look at ransomware. Ransomware is a serious cyber threat that can affect both individuals and organizations. Attackers encrypt files and make them inaccessible. They then demand payment in exchange for access to the files. Another growing concern is ransomware as a service, also known as RaaS. It can make it easier for criminals with limited technical knowledge to launch ransomware. Cyber attacks do not always begin with advanced technology. Sometimes, attackers target people in their behavior. This is known as social engineering. Attackers may pretend to be trusted organizations, colleagues, or friends. They may send phishing emails containing malicious links or attachments. One simple click can give attackers an opportunity to compromise a system. Now, let's look at some essential cybersecurity practices. First, use strong and unique passwords. Avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. Second, enable multi-factor authentication, or MFA. MFA provides an additional layer of security even if your password is stolen. Third, avoid clicking suspicious links. Always verify the sender before opening links or attachments. Finally, keep your software updated. Security updates can fix known vulnerabilities and cybersecurity is not only an individual's responsibility. Organizations also have an important role to play. Technology alone is not enough. Organizations need to build a strong security culture and provide regular security awareness training. They should also prepare response plans and continuously monitor their systems. Being prepared before an attack happens is much better than reacting after the damage is done. Now, let's talk about our role in cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is not just an IT problem. It is everyone's responsibility. Our awareness and everyday decisions can help prevent cyber attacks. Stay informed about new cyber threats. Be careful when using emails, websites, and online services. If you notice something suspicious, report it immediately. Sometimes, one simple warning can help prevent a major security incident. This is the first episode of our cybersecurity series. In the next episode, we will explore cyber threats and attacks in more detail. What are cyber attacks? How do they work? And how can we protect ourselves? We will explore these questions in the next episode. So, stay connected with AK Digital Docs. Thank you for watching this presentation on Introduction to Cybersecurity. Remember these 3 important messages. Think before you click. Verify, then trust. Report anything suspicious. Your awareness is your first line of defense. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AK Digital Docs. Stay safe, stay aware. See you in the next